This is the wonderful view of
Brahmaputra river.
Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra, that's called the Brahmaputra, means the son
You
of
can see
Brahma.
the beautiful view of Brahmaputra.
This is from Goalpara. You know, the Assam,
Goalpara.
the smallest district, not the smallest district, the
English ko herna
is a
ba.
district of Assam, which is we mean
It is
the
the district of Assam which is present in Lower Assam,
that
lower part of Assam.
I'm not saying that. Actually, this is the, you know,
See this hill.
it's known as Hulukanda
It's a
because
historical. It's a historical place.
the name Hulukanda is a part of the monkey's name because at these hills
It's famous for monkeys.
the not monkey, all type of not monkey are there. Only the hulu monkey. Actually, it's known as Holukanda because of Holu Bandor. That means hollow monkey.
Hello, monkey.
And this building is this one is our GMB office. That means Goalpara Municipality Board office, and this hills. Which one? This one. Can you see this? Yes, this one is known as what? What is this?
Shildubi.
Yes. This one is called Shildubi. I don't know why this is called Shildubi, but from the beginning I know that this is called Shildubi, and these are from Bongaigaon district. You know Bongaigaon, which is also part of Assam. Means the lower Assam, and this tower, it's not Eiffel Tower actually. This one is the FM tower of Goalpara, and this one the oldest tower of Goalpara, and because you see it's not like tower, because nowadays it's look like that's one. So if you got time, please visit.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we will discuss about a place which is present in Lower Assam.
Yes.
name
First
of
of all, says who are you?
I'm Rafiqul Islam.
Who the hell are you?
Sutti ami bad daw. I'm জানি কোন সম্পর্ক ভাইরাল করবা বেশি দিন নাই
No. Actually, after a long
guys,
time.
we are present at Goalpara, which is present in Lower Assam. It's a historical place. Everybody know the name of Pratima Pandey Burua, who is famous singer of Goalpara, who is shine of Goalpara district, who is shine of Assam, who is shine of India. Everybody know he is a best singer, actually folk singer. His song,
Actually, not he,
she
because the
Acha,
person
acha,
is a lady.
lady will na কোনো কথা এই বাদ দাও এটা আটকাও
Okay, no worry. You can carry on.
কি জানো কোন ইসলাম
Because the sun,
we will
the
show you
picture
today.
quality is not so good. Please come here. Yes.
We will show today many of historical place of Goalpara, and now we are present at near Hulukandaba. You can see behind me, it's a river which is called Brahmaputra, which is main first river and the biggest river of Assam, and which is flow from Hodia to Dhuburi, and everybody know it's a very beautiful river. And you can also see the hill of Bongaigaon district, which is the name of the hill is Malagar Hills.
What?
Malagar Hills.
Malagar Hills. Okay.
Yes, and also you can see there is many boat and some boat for fishing they use, and some for communication, one chor. Two chor means the small island of river. There are many islands and where many men living like the caste of Islam, from caste of Islam.
Actually, that's not from only Islam. There is many.
There is many, but majority is Islam.
Yes, you can say like that.
Here is you can see many boat here, and everybody can communicate via this river only by boat. And there is no available any other communication system. There is no current, and you can also see the that's on a hill, which is a main hill of Goalpara, and name of this hill is Huluganda Pahar, and its name comes from a monkey's name whose name is Holobandor in Assamese, and this hill is famous for Holobandor, and people lovingly called that's Huluganda Pahar. And this place, and also see here many tower is present and municipal depot, everything is here present, and it is a good hills, and you can see very beautiful in monsoon season, and also the Assamese main festival Bohag means Bohag Bihu. Then you can also when Bohag will come, then they are very beautiful place will, and very beautiful scenery will come there. And also the PR Goft High School, one of the oldest high school, is present near this hill, and that school is present more than 1 kilometer.
Most probably
so much.
it's on here, the PR Gopt. Yes, here. Okay, you can carry on, please. Okay, everything is fine, but please come here, please. Okay, thank you. Everything is fine, but I want to know about your pet. Which one is very delight?
It's become out day by day
Because you are pregnant.
no, I'm not actually pregnant.
Just like that.
I would like to eat various type of food, like any fatty food, like pizza, burger.
Wow,
So my fat deposit here.
but it's too much.
Okay, I will try for.
Please give us some tips which help us to create just like you.
You have
Make us also fat, please.
if you are thinking that you have to come out your fat, you have to deposit your fat, then you have to eat fatty like any food like pizza and burger. Also you can eat many fish and beef like meat.
No, fish actually not deposited fat too much because it's
You can also take any food.
because in the knowledge I know that fish only
There
carry
is protein.
proteinous, mainly proteinous.
But do you know there is many proteins present in fish, and also if you will thinking that you have to take.
From fish, the small amount of fat actually deposited. It's very small.
Do you know there are many fat present in Chow-mein, like
Yeah.
Chow-mein, momo,
That means oily foods actually.
and like the biryani, like
Yes.
there are many oil, and you also if you are thinking that you have to deposit your fat, then you can also take like beef also.
Oh.
There are many fats present, and also take food like rice, much, and also you have to take like you have to more time sleep.
Oh, sleeping is necessary.
Yes, because when you sleep, then your fats is not deposited. No, sorry, fats will not burn. Then your if you are eating many more, then the glucose is deposited in your muscle as a fats.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. But I want to know from which side you are. From which side you are? Please. It's a very important interview. Please, from which part are you belong? From which part?
Goalpara.
No, I never seen you before that. Before today. Please, from where?
It's not necessary to see me here as a Goalpara.
No. It's probably someone invite you to give some. No, yes. Because your speech is too much attractive. Please say something. From which side? I know you're from Assam, but which side? From which district or which area? Oh, manually. Oh, okay. From. Okay. Thank you. Please contact this person. It's a very funny person. Please share your contact number, please.
9707448224.
Or 97? No, 8638875. Oh no. That's not. Please share.
9707448224. মানে কি জানো? ফার্স্ট সাইডটা তোমার, লাস্টের ছয়টা আমার।
Okay. Guys, if you like this, please comment, like, and share this. Or if you guys are new on my channels, please subscribe. Please see the below and right side the below. Here is the right button. Please click here and subscribe my channel. And thank you guys for seeing this, view this. एंड कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि कैसा लगा आपको. थैंक यू. आज के लिए इतना ही. बिना चुतिया पे यहीं पे रोक देते हैं वीडियो. बाय.